What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I'm going to talk about a project that's caught my eye. I've been speaking to the development team around this, and it's certainly a very, very interesting project. And they've got a lot of things coming, and equally, they really are starting to build something incredibly special in the DeFi space. So we're going to take a look specifically at SkyToken in this video. Now, there is a lot coming for this. We're going to walk through a little bit around the project. It's not going to be too long a video. Just want to give you a flavor of what they're all about. And there's going to be some more content coming on the channel. So be sure to subscribe to keep up to date with everything going on with SkyToken, as well as everything in the cryptocurrency market. So let's dive into it. So first and foremost, let's take a look at the Ethereum right now. So it is an ERC20 based token, but currently Ethereum 1634. We saw a pretty heavy sell-off earlier on this morning, and then we have bounced back significant. Bitcoin back up to 22.7. Looks like it's heading on up to 23k. Could we see a 30k Bitcoin in the next couple of weeks? Quite possibly. But remember, Ethereum 0.41%. We've just tipped into a new day here in the UK, but a good strong move up for Ethereum. Now, SkyToken, well, what is it? It's an ETH-based charity token that works in tandem with the SkyPath security, making the world safer by protecting one building at a time. Now, I've spoke to the team that operate this project, and it is absolutely crazy in terms of what technology allows us to do, both from a security perspective and equally looking after people. So we can walk through a little bit on this project. Again, I think I said it's not going to be the most in-depth review of this. I want to give you a flavor. I want to give you what I'm seeing, and certainly get your kind of let you go and research and do your own review of this. So SkyToken, the ticker is SKY if you are interested. I'll leave the links all in the description so you can go and check it out. But it's the first kind Ethereum-based ERC20 charity token created to work with SkyPath security, and they are a leader in the security space with a mission to protect everyone from active threats and hazards through SkyPath's certification, safety and security system, which uses the most reliable technology products and services available. It is a mobile defense platform. Now, you might be thinking, okay, what do we need that for? But think about the world we live in right now. Think about the use cases in any situation with this technology. You can see that video just running there in terms of bringing you what they can kind of be able to do. And exactly there, natural disasters, finding people, making people safer is ultimately what they want to do. They also have the SkyToken Foundation charity, which offers free access to SkyPath's security mobile defense platform. SkyToken Mobile Defense Grant Program will allow all qualified applicants up to 12 months of free access to SkyPath Security's mobile defense platform. Now, here's something that I talk about a lot. This is real world utility linked back into a cryptocurrency project. They are not relying purely and solely on volume to go through their token in order to be sustainable. Now, again, in my opinion, ERC20 token, any token that was formed at the back end or certainly in the bull market that is still here now, certainly has something about it, and it is a matter of time before these things start to really move. You can get it over on Uniswap, on those decentralized exchanges. And looking into the tokenomics, we've got a 17.5 million supply. Now, bear in mind, 10 million is the ambition by the Q1 2023. Token address there, ticker is starting with 18 decimals, and it's a 10% round trip. So 5 in and 5 out. And you can see there 3% to charity, 1% to liquidity, and 1% to the market and operations. And then it gives us that breakdown exactly what's there. Sky Utilities, we've talked about a little bit, and ultimately what they have. We've also got things like whale staking coming up, Skynauts, and they have partnerships with Delta Flyer. I've had those on the channel again. So they have their official Skynaut NFTs, and they're going to be bringing staking out for those, and Sky Yield Farming as well. They have 501c3s for the charity status, and everything you find with SkyToken is done right. Everything in real world. We know the CEO, the founder of this, Omar, is a compliance officer. So those ducks are in order, that paperwork is signed, sealed, and ensured that everything is correct. So it says there, once the SkyToken Foundation 501c3 application is approved, direct donations will be 100% tax deductible. Please consult with tax accountants to figure out caps and limits. And again, you can see their SkyToken, there is hope. And ultimately, they are trying to do a great thing. Now, looking at the market cap, and let's talk about the elephant in the room, and I wouldn't be doing justice if I weren't. But if we take a look at the chart, currently we sit at 4 cents at 7.32. We have actually had a couple of nice buys coming today. We had one ETH buy earlier on, only 3k in volume, and the current market cap at 591,000 holders, 1.13k. Now, everyone in the chat that has seen this will absolutely be saying, well, hold on a minute, hold on a minute. If we go back, we did see this thing run all the way up. It tipped out at a $5 price point on their old contract. Absolutely huge move. Now, again, this is about building, this is about understanding where we went wrong and building for the future. And what they've done is come back stronger, got utility built in there, partnerships, amongst other things. So certainly there's lots coming for Sky Token. I just wanted to give you a quick view of it. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm certainly going to be covering this much more on the channel. So be sure to go and check it out. All the links in the description so you can go and have a look for Sky Token. But currently up 5% on the day, volume on the increase. Definitely one to take a look at. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.